Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening BDO Mobile and signing in. This secures your session before creating any QR code. Once logged in, make sure your profile shows an active Philippine mobile number and that you've enabled camera permissions so the app can scan and generate codes. Tap the main menu and select the QR or receive option to begin. Do this now. It prevents interruptions later. If prompted, authenticate again with biometrics or the OTP. This confirms it's really you and authorizes payment tools. Once done, choose Receive, then generate QR to input payment details. Enter the exact amount and a short purpose. This reduces disputes, and you can set an expiry to protect the code. Next, pick which linked BDO account should receive funds and double-check the displayed recipient name. Tap Preview to verify everything. This shows the QR graphic and the text details. If corrections are needed, go back. Do not share a QR with wrong amount or account information to avoid lost payments. To finish, save the QR image or present it directly on your phone for payer scanning. You can also share via secure messaging if needed. After the payer scans, wait a moment and then check transaction history to confirm receipt. If the scan fails, first ensure the payer's camera focus and your app version are up to date. Then regenerate the QR and try again. Make sure both devices have internet access. Without it, confirmation messages and receipts may not update immediately, causing false errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.